How about a little word problem using factoring? Well, let's see what we got. The hop of a kangaroo can be modeled by the equation h equals 24t minus 16t squared, where h represents the height of the hop in meters and t is the time in seconds. Find the value of t when h is 0. So we've got an equation right here. H equals 24t minus 16t squared. H is the height in meters, t is the time in seconds, and then we're asked to find the value of t when h equals 0. Well, I'm going to rewrite this just because I want to, because I like the way it looks better. And I'm going to rewrite this equation now as negative 16t squared plus 24t and equals, and rather than put in h for the height, I'm going to put in 0 because we're asked to find when the height is 0. And what does that mean if the height is 0? That means the kangaroo's on the ground. All right, let's see. Negative 16t squared plus 24t, and the first thing I want to do is think about, can I factor out any common factors, greatest common factors? Well, I can see that 8 will go into negative 16 negative 2 times, and 8 will go into 24 3 times, and then I got a t squared and then a t. So why don't we factor out 8t, and now this becomes negative 2t plus 3, all equaling 0. And let's set both factors equal to 0. Got a little bit more room right up here. I'll move it up here. So we got 8t equals 0. And we've got negative 2t plus 3 equals 0. Well, if we over here, if we divide both sides by 8, then I've got 8 divided by 0. 0 divided by 8, which of course is just 0. T is equal to 0. Well, that makes sense. When we start, the kangaroo starts to hop, we've got 0 seconds have gone by, and the kangaroo's on the ground before it hops. And then over here we've got negative 2t plus 3 equals 0. Well, let's subtract 3 to both sides. That's going to give us negative 2t equals negative 3. And then we're going to divide by negative 2 so that t will equal, well, I got two negatives I'm dividing, means it's going to be positive 3 over 2, or I could say 1.5 seconds. And again, after 1.5 seconds, the kangaroo has made its hop and it's back on the ground. And shazam, we have used factoring to discover something regarding a quadratic equation that models the hop of a kangaroo. Fascinating.